not going to read it all. It's 1 Corinthians chapter 12. And it talks about the body. And I broke this down into two separate parts of the body. Okay. We're going to talk about, you got the spiritual body, okay? And then we got our natural body. Yeah. Okay? It's two separate things it talks about the body. Okay. If you look at 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 8, this talks about the different spiritual gifts within the body. That's what this is. Verse 8, for we are given by one Spirit the word of wisdom. That means somebody in the body could have the word of wisdom. To another, the word of knowledge, as the same Spirit. To another, faith. To another, spirit. To another, the gifts of healing by the same Spirit. To another, the work of miracles. To other, prophecy. And to another, discerning the spirits and divers kinds of tongues. To another, the interpretation of tongues. So if you look in the spiritual body, now let's look at this here. That means that within the church, we might have all these gifts, and then that means within the church, we might have some of these gifts. That means that, and I'm going to look at, and when I talk about the body, I'm talking about the universal part of the church. So when we look at the truth, we should have all these spiritual gifts somewhere operating in truth. Somewhere. And so when I listen to and I ask and I search certain things, especially when I meet a pastor, when I'm doing my job, I might ask that person, what is your church spiritual DNA? That means what are you called to do in that particular neighborhood or where you are at. All churches are called to do something. And if we all do our job within the town, then we meet the goal and overall goal to meet the needs for the town and what God wants us all to do. Within these here, within the church, parts of these, the body is fire department, this board, that board, that board, that board, that board. Which if you jump over to the next verses 12 through 15. For as the body is one and has many members, and all the members of that one body, being many, are one body.